Bor ka Advocacy TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka Jingiap ka belajar ka khandai terek ukala lingkot arjar penrio kala penpar nyang kriat ya kipan nong song jong karilom garu ha ka ba wei unong tre mansoba yau bala tip kerteng kumu Dilseng sangma ula syabom yap ha ka kenhun jong ki mafia ki ba khlong mau bi an ha ka par mau ka badan ha golgom ha West Garo Hills District kat kum ki jingte bala yolum la yathu bau Dilseng haringkat ka kenhun jong u ki la let jure bhagani ka parmau hanrei onda kila wan phai bat kat ba kitang don halenti ka kenhun ki mafia kila mi kensan ban thombor ki paralok jong Dilseng kila phet ruma bat phet krat kat balap tang ban lajem hanrei Dilseng usakut marwei bat ula syabom syatiet hadu bandayam halor kini ke Jingiap ka seng nyautrap ajik national movement lingba unong aktin jongka ujon sangma ula penrem jori yakani ka jingle kirunar bat kala dawaru nagi bor jongkaan baki deban kem bat pensitom yaki breu ki badon kti khanang ba Dilseng unyo yak bisar hok ujon sangma ulong ba Dilseng udai unong trai monsoba uba syakri nakabenta ka imlang salang bat ka jingklat jongu kadai ka jingdu ka bakrau yak ka jaj benriu garo Presiden rangba jong ka seng nyautrap ajik national movement uba lamprang kharbani uloong ba kum kani ka Jingiap kamdei satia kasin ka beningkong henrei kadai ka balaja na kapor sya kapor bat uladawa na ki bor jong ka an baki dei ban le da ka batinge namar bala da ka an hi ka Khlain ki riu thrang snam kin ha perkhat bun sien syo ban le ya kinu ki kam pentriem.
We are here on the behalf of New Tribe Aceh National Movement Central Body. Friends, we all know what happened in last 9 of January this month, 2026. Mr. Dilseng Sangma, he lost his life because he went to Golgaon village just to investigate to see that illegal stone quarry is going on in that area. And after that, when they are coming back from their spot, that village, that some unknown person was waited in the roadside and they attack to that entire groups. Some of them, they have run and they saved their life. And few of them, they cannot run from that spots. Due to that accident, that Mr. Dilseng Sangma, he lost his life. Today we condemn this accident. And those who have involved in these crimes, we demand that state government must punish according to law and brought to them and give Dilseng Sangma the justice. So we on behalf of H&M New Tribe Aceh National Movement Central Body, we strongly and unequivocally condemn the brutal killings of late Dilseng Sangma. A respected NGO leaders who was murdered by unknown person. This heinous and inhuman act has shocked our consciences and is a grave attack on the values of humanity, peace and social justice. Late Dilseng Sangma was a committed social worker who dedicated his life to the welfare of the peoples and upliftment of society. His untimely and violent death is an irreparable loss not only to his family and organization, but also to the entire community. We extend our heartfelt condolence to the bereaved family and express our solidarity with all those mourning this tragic loss. We urge the concerned authority to conduct a thorough and impactful investigation and ensure that the perpetrators are identified and brought to justice. At the earliest, such act of violence must not be tolerated under any circumstance. May the departed soul of Sri Dilseng M. Sangma rest his internal peace, and may God give strength to family members to bear this incredible loss. And details tingim don't re tomba kat kum ni kayo kasing tip kum kini ke kam ki site continue ham le tanga po garuil stro ki don bon ki jaka badon ratharai ki concern ki authority ya kum kini ke kam te ushim o le ya ki badon kami ni nakliang useng tengi don ki baro ki details ya kata te. And we don't want to comment on that right now. As an NGO, many times we have demanded for the inner line permit. And as you know, the press media, since 2019, we are fighting for the inner line permit implementation in the state of Meghalaya. And you know, my friends, that in the last 2025 also, we went to Delhi and we met the central leaders and we convinced them to implement the inner line permit and implement MRSS Act in the state of Meghalaya for the safety of the people or state of Meghalaya. So unless and until this kind of mechanism will not implement in the state, we will not able to track any illegal infiltration in the state of Meghalaya. As we know, the state of Meghalaya are sharing long boundaries with the country of Bangladesh. So therefore, this kind of mechanism we need immediately implementation in the state of Meghalaya, like inner line permit and MRSSA. So my dear friends, we urge through you, we urge the state government to implement as soon as possible the ILP system in the state of Meghalaya. And we not requested only the state government, but same time we requested to central leadership and the central government also to give that inner line permit, which is a long pending issue, especially in the state of Meghalaya.
Spokesperson jongka HNMCC la brief haganega no paisi nagliang jongka HNMCC daga jing sokya ni ajimut ka sorkar ko dai pansna no yaki anji pakai namar omdai tang men hak ka khandai trek ya ka jing siapan yap jong wo samla pokolil nrei hagini kipnai dong sudak yu I gicing siapan yap jong wo parok prosnam na pokai te potul kat tahan kisnem glada pro gicing siapan yap jong ki knarit dai po nora te kumka seng kaba sokya pro sokit ram yang ne kijingja ne gawi kijingi ni ajimot pengin tu ka sokar Meghalaya kamtam ka police department bagi dai bansna no yagi anki Khlain ban tai kendon yakini ki nong penya preu bat ni kijingja ja parbor hakane ka jaj penreu ka jelah ji namangilong ka jaj penreu ka ba rit pa ka jelah ka ba rit telada ka an ka telot kemut kan penslur nang penslur susu ya ki riu trang snam bat kenang ya ja susu ka jing sya peniap har ne kri pi ju te rel dang idon ra ka sokar ka sna ki an Khlain kemut ba Kiru tang senam bar kinong penya pro kihapan perkhat asen suapan simi kalau nak jingiap jong ubrelo ne kabrelo te kum ka seng kum kwa shu padang yu kum gini jingjia ladai syakhasihil ladai syakarohil namar ba kum ka jak penreu ka ba dangrit pat kum ka jela ka parit tengi kwa ba bantela kam ye gini jingsya peniap ba khakha jongki nong sunong ba e jela me klia ladai ka por ba sarkar me klia ba hapan sna no ye ki an ki Khlain ki an ki ba perking ba bat kidai ru ban kem bat pen saja dapat tengah kenang ba kumini ki ba pensir ki ba jujia nak por sekapor kinom jasu nang nes khamat hak ne gali ka be jai chung